Hi everyone. Today I have a little project to share with you on how to make these cute little bows. You can use them on gift packages. You can add them to toppers and use them also as embellishments. They're made from scrapbooking paper and you can make all different kinds. There's lots of different patterns to choose. I found that ones with smaller prints work best for these little bows because they're not very big. They're about 3 inches. And they're super easy to make. You can sit down and make quite a few of them in one go. So I'll tell you how I made them. So I found a pattern on Pinterest from a company or someone who goes by the name of Ash and Crate. And they had a free template on there, so I printed that off and then traced it out and came up with this. This is the template that they gave. So it's just 2 pieces, so pretty simple there. And then I traced it out. I chose scrapbooking paper that I wanted to use. I'll show you on this little print that I have here with the floral print here. And you just trace it out onto your paper. I trace it on the back side. And then you'll want to cut it out. And I've already got one that I've cut out here. So, so this is obviously the bottom of the bow, and then you'll take this piece that kind of looks like sunglasses from the front and you take it and you're gonna bring the ends into the center. You're gonna put some glue on there. I'll just do that quickly here so I can show you. So added glue, and then you're just gonna bend it into the center and then do it on the same for the other side. I found for this step the hot glue works fine to put that on and hold it on there. Except for right now because I'm showing you. Okay, so there we have that glued together. Just hold it for a minute and then you're going to just turn that over and you're going to glue it onto the bottom like this. So for that I use just a little bit of the tacky glue. Seems to work pretty good for that. So I'll just put that on. And then I'm going to stick the bow on. You want the finished side facing up. And then just hold that for a few seconds till it adheres. And then once that's on, you can take your little center embellishment. I usually use either pearls or the rhinestones. So I think on this one I'll use a pearl, sorry. And these ones are self-stick, so you can just stick those right on.